Installation of the soft closers with a hidden top track. In Nova system, there are two different soft closers, one for the left and one for the right. The set includes one soft closer, one recurrent plate, one strengthened spring, two screws, one ring-shaped plate. To add soft closing to the Nova system with a hidden top track, you will need either inner or outer brackets. On the inside of the soft closer, where the metal is flat, it is necessary to add the ring-shaped plate. No need to install the top roller at the position of the soft closer. Mount the soft closer using the screws from the brackets set. The distance between the brackets should be 88.5 mm. When installing, make sure that the upper edge of the soft closer matches the upper edge of the bracket. Before installation, there is no need to activate the soft closer's mechanism. For doors that weigh more than 30 kilograms, it is necessary to change the spring. Install the door in the opening and adjust it. Link to the video of the door installation you can find in the description below. Check if the door closer is properly installed. The door should not shake inside the tracks. If there is too much space between the wheels of the soft closer and the top track, the door is shaky. In this case, you can adjust the soft closer by changing its angle to the horizontal door. The distance between the rollers should be 39 mm, considering the horizontal line. Mount the recurrent plate of the soft closer into the top track from the required side. Move the door and the soft closer towards the recurrent plate until you hear a characteristic click. After that, activate the soft closer using the recurrent plate. Now, move the door towards the recurrent plate again and push the entire structure until the door reaches its intended closing position. Activate the soft closer and fix the recurrent plate. Make sure that the soft closer works properly. If there is still a gap between the sidewall and the door, then the oval holes of the recurrent plate allow for precise readjustment. If the door is jumping, lower the recurrent plate by turning the adjustment screw clockwise. Check all soft closers for one last time.